Hello everyone, this is the IELTS which reviewing a task 1 for the writing section of the IELTS exam. Let's see how it goes. So this is the question wherein there is a graph showing on the x-axis we have the timeline and on the y-axis we have the percentage. This shows the free time activities of the elderly in the United States from 1880 to the present. So we have different activities like reading, hiking, theater, watching TV, surfing, etc. And how these activities changed. So they themselves have divided into 3 10-year spans from 80 to 90, 90 to 2000, and 2000 to 2010. Okay, let's see what you have written as the answer. The chart illustrates the percentage of leisure activities done by old. Have you checked the spelling of leisure activities? Please do. Leisure activities done by old generation, no, older generation or senior citizens or any such things, or the elderly. You can write such thing, not the old generation of the United States from the year 1980 to 2010. Yes, correct. Overall, it is evident that hiking and watching television are the most popular activities among the elderly people of the United States. Okay, this is hiking and this is watching TV. I think hiking has improved. It was not a constantly popular activity. You cannot say it is a constantly popular activity. Overall, you can say that television was a popular activity, watching TV, and hiking has improved considerably. Then, whereas theater and surfing the internet are the least common activities done in the free time, or you can say that are done in the free time. So the least favorite activity, surfing internet, has gotten some interest. And secondly, what is this? Theater has maintained a certain mediocre interest, whereas reading has improved. You can write something about the reading. Since you have mentioned everything else, you can write something about reading here. So that will complete the overall summary of the graph. To begin with, hiking is the only activity which was popular throughout the period from 20% in 1980s, doubled in 10 years, up to 40%, which doubled in 10 years, up to 40%, and rose up to 80% in 2008. So you can say, and which again doubled, or whatever it is. This shows that the trend was growing continuously. Okay, so you can say, you cannot say that hiking was popular throughout the period. Initially, it was 20% and now it is 80%. You say that hiking has shown a tremendous uniform increase, or a, what you can say, a climb, or a hike. Hiking has seen a hike. You can write that. That would be fun. This shows that the trend was growing continuously. Okay, watching television was also well known, not well known, among old people. In 1980s, it was 60% and rose up to 70% in 2000s. But after 2000s, the trend started declining. And you can write it came down to 65% approximately. Okay, you should finish it off, the whole thing. On the other hand, surfing the internet was least famous among old generation in 2000. Till 2000, you can write. However, after 2000, which was nearly 10%, in 1980s, although, why is there a capital? Array, in 1980s, full stop, although. Okay, in 1980s, fine, full stop. Although, there was a dramatic rise in 2000 from approximately 20% to 15% in 2010. Okay, surprisingly, the theater and reading had similar patterns. Theater and reading. No, okay. Both the trends experienced fluctuation, reading 30 to 50% from 1980s to 2010, but slightly fluctuated. Reading what? Reading increased from 30 to 50% from 1980s to 2010s, but fluctuated between 1990 and 2000s. While the theatre was common in 1980s but experienced up and downs between the year 1980 and 1990, but later it had gradually grown. Anything that you have not covered? Theatre, watching TV, hiking, reading, surfing the internet. You have not covered surfing the internet in this paragraph, have you? In the last paragraph? Okay, yes. On the other hand, the surfing the internet was least famous. Yes, everything has been covered. The structure, yes. The language, okay. However, the interpretation of all the hikes has not been done correctly. There are a couple of grammatical mistakes. I'm happy that the grammatical mistakes are decreasing with each reading. However, the fluctuation that shows is not being shown in this. We need to study more of these type of diagrams wherein there are multiple fluctuations. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. Please follow my YouTube channel, the IELTS Switch.